Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to set password in Windows 10 or 11. So just follow the steps I'm going to show you and make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss any step. So let's get right into it. To add a local account password, if your local account does not have a password yet, but you want the computer to require a password to sign into your account, you can refer to the following method and add the local account password. Select the start icon in the middle of the taskbar. It can be just in the bottom right or bottom left too. And then go to settings. And from here, select in accounts and then go to sign in options. And in here, you will find this a layout right here where you will find sign in options. And here, select password. Here, you will find the option of password and then tap on add right here. And this layout will arrive in front of you. Here, give your new password, confirm your new password, and just put a password here in case you forget your password while entering your computer. So once you are done with it, just tap on next and make sure you tap on finish so that your password will set and the computer will record the password next time you sign in. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.